In this video, we'll be looking at between over 1 and under 8. Which one should you trade? Over 1 and under 8 are both excellent markets. In fact, they're beginner friendly, but between the two, which one do you want? Okay, this is exactly what you're looking into in this video. Before I start, guys, I want to welcome you to the DerivNavigator Academy, where we have the best deriv strategies in the world. You're most welcome to be here, and please feel free to like and subscribe before we start. Okay, now, most people trade over 1. In fact, I usually recommend that, especially if you're a beginner and you're just starting out. But first of all, start out with over 1 and under 8 and then proceed from there. But most people come to me and ask me, between the two, which one should I trade? Okay? Personally, over 1 and under 8 are both my favorite markets, but I usually have one prefer one. I prefer 1, okay? For this particular reason. Now, first of all, over 1 and under 8 are both excellent in terms of, in case of a loss, you only require 3 to 4 times of your stake to recover. Basically, you require a martingale of either 3 or 4, which is very sustainable, which is very nice. Most accounts can be able to survive that, okay? Even if you have a $10 account and you use a stake of 0.35, you can be able to survive even 2 or 3 losses comfortably, okay? So that's why I'm saying it is beginner friendly. Again, when it comes to using them with a bot, they're excellent. Bots usually execute nice trades when it comes to these. Martingale is usually, the success rate for the martingale is usually extremely high, but ensure you have a good bot, otherwise it will become hard for also the bot to be able to recover, okay? I told you guys, the thing about free bots, most free bots on these sites, is that they're not able to recover properly, okay? So ensure you invest in a good bot. Again, if you have bots, WhatsApp me, I will give you more details on how to get the good bots, okay? Apart from that, okay? So as I've said, first of all, when it comes to recovery, it is easy. Most small accounts can be able to survive this. It is beginner friendly, but which one do we prefer? Guys, under 8 is superior, and I'll be telling you why, all right? Under 8. Now, if I come to any random market on this analysis tool, guys, I'm using this analysis tool. It is a random analysis tool. You can go to any third-party website to access it, okay? You can go to any third-party website. I'm not affiliated to any website. I only trade on Deriv.com, but I'm using it for basically to illustrate to you the power between these two markets, okay? Over 1. Let us start. Let me go to any random. In fact, let me come to volatility 10-1S. Yeah, I want to show you guys the power dynamic between the two. Now, if I come to over 1, you will see that the probability for the market being in towards the over 1 side is 78.6. Basically, the market, basically over 1 has a power dynamic of 78.5%, which is amazing. But let us shift to under 8 so that you can see. As you can see, under 8 has 91.7%, which is about a 13% difference. Okay? Both of these markets have the same profits. The same, everything between this market is basically the same. When it comes to profitability, it is just that the strategy we'll use between the two when analyzing is different, but these markets are basically like two identical siblings, okay? But you can see one sibling has 78.1% probability of being profitable. The other one has 91.4%. And even when you trade with a bot, you will notice that whenever you're trading over 1, some losses happen. But whenever you're trading under 8, losses rarely happen. I'm not saying they do not happen, but they rarely happen. So when it comes to choosing between the two, I prefer you choose under 8, okay? In fact, let me select another one so that you don't think that I'm being biased about this, okay? Again, if I come to here to, this is volatility 25-1S, you can see over under for over 1 has 79.3. If I come to under 8, 90.9. Okay, in fact, during one of my live streams, I decided to trade over 1 and we experienced some losses here and there. But whenever we shifted to under 8, profit started pouring in. In fact, if you go to my live streams, most of them I trade under 8 and you will see that we become profitable at the end of each live stream. Okay, and guys, believe me when I tell you, with under 8, you can become consistently profitable every single day without fail if you apply proper risk management and you have proper capital. Guys, there is no single day you will lack capital. I'm a testament to that. You can go check out our live streams. You'll be able to see that for yourself, okay? So guys, if you want to trade between the two, invest a lot of your time into understanding under 8, okay? Under 8 will surprise you. I'm not saying do not learn over 1. I'm not saying do not trade over 1. But I'm saying under 8, give under 8 a chance and it will surprise you, okay? In fact, no matter the account size you have, even if you have an account size of $50,000, 13,000, try under 8 out. Try under 8 out. Use proper risk management using the formula I taught you guys. If you do not know that formula, the link of the video is in the description. Guys, you'll be able to see that for yourself, okay? In fact, I love it a lot. In fact, under 8 is my favorite market in Deriv all around. Go check it out. It will surprise you. These markets are amazing. But you have to do it in the right way to get your profits. And I told you guys, do not only rely on the percentage, also ensure you use proper analysis based on them. nice strategies I've made for you on the channel, okay? Whereby I've explained how to look at the percentages, the positioning of the green circle, and so on, okay? If you have any question about this, guys, please ensure you put it down in the comment section. I'll answer it for you. And if you need any, if you have any inquiry about Deriv on a personal level, be it about boards, classes, live trading sessions, again, WhatsApp me. I'll be able to be there for you. Apart from that, guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please ensure you like, subscribe, and share if you can. It will be highly appreciated. Guys, apart from that, keep trading, keep pushing, and guys, let us meet in the live stream and let us meet in the next one. Thank you.